everyone. This is Kim, Meta Peace Team, and an associate of Veterans for Peace. And we just want to take a couple minutes to unveil the first Detroit Leave No One Behind mural. This is a project that is pulling together people who are working for the repatriation of our deported veterans, and also saying, please stand with our DACA recipients, stand with all people who've been deported and are separated from their families. We're out here today also in support of the New Way Forward Act, which would give judges discretion in terms of immigration. So we're calling for just immigration policies. President Biden immediately needs to issue an executive order repatriating these veterans and then get on the ball in terms of immigration reform. So I'm going to stop talking, and I'd like to introduce our Veterans for Peace Chapter 73. I'll have you guys say a few words.
My name is Steve Selzler, and I'm with the Michael Gramlich chapter of Veterans for Peace here in Southeast Michigan, the Detroit chapter. Chapter 74, and yeah, and another thing that Kim didn't mention, but it's, let's not have a distinction between veterans that are honorably discharged or dishonorably discharged. Let's do away with that distinction. And yeah, I'm really grateful that this banner is up, and you know, you're not forgotten. Let me tell you that. Thank you.
And I'm Mike Muha with Chapter 93, the Ann Arbor, Washington County chapter, here to support this. We're also here at every Memorial Day. We put up a memorial called Arlington Midwest in Grand Circus Park in Detroit here, with one marker for every military person from Michigan killed in Afghanistan and Iraq, to remind people of the costs of war and just what's involved and what you lose by going to war.
Here it is.
Brad, would you like to say just what chapter you're from? Or?
Yeah, Chapter 93.
Also from Chapter 93, Ann Arbor.
And so the mural is being displayed. We're here at Central United Methodist Church, which has been a hub for social justice forever. And Pastor Jill and the community has welcomed this mural, along with some other justice murals that are hung up here. We're also at the Swords into Plowshares Peace and Art Gallery, which is part of the church's ministry. So we really want to thank them for their hospitality. And because we're talking about immigration, Ted, would you like to just say a few words about your story?
My name is Ted Ransburg. I'm from Albania, immigrant. I've been here to America for 21 years. I stayed in sanctuary for 3 years and a half, and now I'm free man, thanks God. Thanks from the people, very nice people I find here, the special Pastor Jill, and all the people support me. Thank you, and I hope all the people like me be free and do whatever want to do and be families all together like me. Thank you.
Here.
Thank you very much. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah.
Once again, one more view of the mural. Steve, what are those black and white things at the end of the mural?
Yeah, that's where you take a picture of it, and it takes you right to the website.
Right, QR codes.
QR code. I didn't
Yeah.
know the names.
Okay, thank you, everyone. Thank you. Thanks, Matt.